In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pop-ups in Wix. Now, pop-ups can be a really effective way to engage with your website visitors, promote special offers, or simply guide users through your site. Today, I'll provide you with a detailed step-by-step guide to getting those pop-ups seamlessly integrated into your Wix website. Before we dive in, let's get started by going to wix.com and logging into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you should see a list of your existing websites. You'll want to select the one to which you'd like to add a pop-up by clicking on Select and Edit Site. This will bring you directly to the editor for that particular site. Now that you're inside the Wix editor, you're in a space where you can easily manage and modify your web page's layout and design. Look through the options available and click on Design Site. If it's your first time here, don't worry. The Wix editor is built to be intuitive and user-friendly. Next, target the Wix website editor from your dashboard. This is essentially your workshop where all the magic happens. Look for the option that says Add Elements. This is where you have the power to customize different sections of your website by introducing various features and functionalities. Once you've clicked on Add Elements, you'll see a drop-down list of options. Here, seek out Interactive. This category is all about making your site more engaging. With interactions, you can grab the attention of your audience more effectively. And what better way to do this than incorporating a compelling pop-up? Inside the interactive menu, navigate to the Box Slideshows section. This is a great option because it offers a variety of pre-designed templates that are highly visual and dynamic. Pick the style that best matches your site's design and the message you want to convey with your pop-up. Within Box Slideshows, look for the feature labeled as Lightbox. A lightbox is a type of pop-up that is particularly effective for drawing focus due to its design and animation options. Take a moment to browse through the options available. Selecting a compelling lightbox can greatly enhance user experience by making your call to action stand out. Once you've decided on a lightbox, it's time to integrate it into your website. Simply click on Add to Site. This action places the lightbox on your page, ready to be customized according to your needs. You can edit the content of the pop-up, aligning it with your website's objectives or promotional aims. And there you have it. Your very own pop-up is now live on your Wix website. Remember, through customization, these pop-ups not only improve the aesthetics of your site, but can play a critical role in maximizing user engagement and conversions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your Wix experience.